Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I want to show you my program, my C program that converts NFA to DFA. Okay, so that's my program here. So this program, so if you have, so this is an NFA here, this is an NFA here, and this is the DFA of this NFA. Okay, so here my program, so you just will write your NFA here in the input, and my program, my C program, read this NFA from this file and convert it to DFA, and then we'll write it here in this file. So I will explain you how to write your NFA into an TXT file, okay, and how to read the DFA also. Okay, so here of course you can download my program. Okay, you can download, you'll find a folder, you will find the C code and the input and the output, the DFA. Okay, these three files. Okay, but if you want to follow the explanation of this code line by line and function by function, that's an easy program. Okay, if you follow my explanation, you will find also a link in the descriptions below to see my explanation. So let me just show you how to use my program. Okay, here in the input, so here we will write the NFA. Okay, so let's open it. So in the first line, in this txt file, in the first line, write your initial states. Okay, so if you have, for example, many initial states, just separate them by comma. Okay, if p2 is initial state, write it here. Okay, but here in my case I have just p1 is initial state. Okay, in the second line, write your final states separated by comma also. Okay, so here I have P3. I just have one final state, and then you write your edges. Okay, so here for this edge, that's mean from P1 to P2 with 0. Okay, I mean this edge here from P1 to P2 with 0. So here that's P1 space, one space, just one space, and then P2, and then one space, and then the alphabet. Okay. The same thing for this, for P1 to P4 with 0, for P2 to P3 with 1, I mean this edge here, P3 to P3 with 0, this loop here, and so on. Here for this epsilon here, for this null transition, so in my program write the null transition by dollar. Okay, dollar in my program means null transition, means epsilon. So when you write here the program, when you write your NFA here, so go ahead and run the program, run the C code. Okay, so when you run the C code, so you will find the DFA here in the output, in the DFA here. So here we say that the DFA initial state is P0, so this one here, and the DFA final states are P1 and P2, this and this, and the DFA edges is P0 to P1 with 0 for this edge here, P1 to P2 with 0, this edge here, and P2 to P2 with 0, this loop here, and P1 to P1 with 0 for this edge here. Of course, you can confirm manually that this is the DFA of this NFA here. Okay, because in this program, I assume that you know how to convert NFA to DFA. So let's see another. Let's see, for example, this one here, this NFA here. Let's write it together in the input. Okay. So we have. So for the initial states, we have A and D. This is initial state and this is an initial state. So A comma D. For the final state, I have D and B. Okay. For the edges now, for A, I have A to B with 0. So A space B space 0. That's for A. For B now, so I have B to B, so B to B, so epsilon. The epsilon we'll write epsilon by dollar in my program. I have also B to C with 1, so B to C with 1. For C now, so I have C to C with 0 for this loop here. You must write all of the edges, okay? So I have C to E with epsilon. So C to E with epsilon. And I have also C to D with 1. So C to D with 1. And that's for C. For D now, I have D to D with 0. D to D with 0. And I have D to A with epsilon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Excuse me. So A to B with 0. Yes, this is A to C with epsilon. I forgot it. Okay. So A to C. You must write all of the edges and in each edge in one new line. Okay. So do not forget any edge. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think I forget one edge. So A to B, A to C. For B, I have B to B and B to C. For C, yes, this edge here for E to B with 0. Okay. Do not forget any edge. Okay. With 0, there's 0 here. So I save, and then I just ran the program. So here when I open the DFA, this txt file, I find this. Okay. So you can confirm that this is the DFA of this NFA. So the initial state is P0, and that's true. The DFA final states are P0 and P1. The DFA edges are so P0 to P1 with 0 for this edge here, P1 to P1 with 0 for this loop here, and P1 to P0 with 1 this, and P0 to P0 with 1, so this here. Okay, so that's it. I hope that you subscribe to my channel, and I hope that you like the video, and you can download my program. You will find a link, and you can also follow me in Udemy to see the explanation function by function and line by line of this code. Okay, so that's it. I hope that you find this video helpful for you, and see you later.